Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily delete a comment on your TikTok video. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. But before that, if you haven't downloaded this application yet, make sure to do it first because TikTok is a fun social media application which allows you to watch thousands and thousands of videos from hundreds of creators from around the world using this application. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok on your phone. And then go to your profile. You can go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. So when you go to your profile, you will see all the videos that you have created and shared so far. Click the video in which there is a comment that you want to delete. So TikTok is a public social media platform where a lot of people can comment on the video that you have created. Sometimes the comments might not be liked or you do not want those comments to be seen by other people. And to delete those comments, you simply need to go to the comment section of the video in which it is located. Choose the comment that you want to delete and then press and hold the comment. There you will see a lot of options, and on the second from bottom you will see the delete option. Click on it and there you go. You have successfully deleted the unwanted comment on your TikTok video. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more updates.